Hello, my students. In this video, we are going to start a new lesson, absolute value and intervals. Let's start by a small activity. Here we have the number line. It's located on the number line, some cities or countries, as you can see, and their abscesses. I want to find the distance between two countries or two cities. For example, let's find the distance between Tyre and Layli. Here, Tyre is located at the origin, since it's located at the point 0, the origin of the x-axis. يعني I'm finding the distance between Layli and the origin, which is Tyre. We know that we have to subtract their abscesses. We can say 0 abscissa of Tyre minus 10 abscissa of Layli, or their positions on the x-axis. I have to subtract 0 minus 10. It will be plus 10, يعني 10 kilometer, for example. So the distance between Layli and the origin or Tyre is 10 kilometer. What if I want to find the distance between Tyre and Beirut, or Layli and Beirut? Let's find the distance between Tyre and Beirut. Distance between Tyre and Beirut, I can write it as 0 minus 30 or 30 minus 0. But in one case, I will have a negative answer, but I'm finding here the distance. I know that the distance, it's a positive answer. So I can here use the absolute value to get a positive answer. Yani when I want to find the distance, for example, 0 minus 30, to get a positive answer, I can use the absolute value. Absolute value will give me a positive answer. يعني it will be absolute value of minus 30. يعني it will be plus 30. So absolute value here is used to get a positive answer. Let's now define the absolute value. What is absolute value? The absolute value of a number is the distance separating this number from 0. يعني when I want to find the absolute value for any number, I have to find the distance between this number and the origin. For example, let's take an example. The absolute value of 3 is the 3 because it's 3 units from the 0. How? On the x-axis, 3, distance between 3 and 0 is 3. So the absolute value of the number 3 is 3. Another example. I want to find here the absolute value of minus 5. I have to ask myself, what is the distance between minus 5 and the origin? Let's check here. The distance between minus 5 and the origin is 5. So the absolute value of minus 5 is 5. So we can see that absolute value of a number, of any number, is always positive. Here is the symbol of the absolute value. When I want to find the absolute value, I have to use this symbol. For example, let's find the absolute value of minus 3. Absolute value of minus 3 is plus 3. Since the distance between minus 3 on the x-axis and the origin is 3. Absolute value of 5 is 5, and of 0, 0. So the absolute value is always positive.